Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android phone step by step. So if you delete WhatsApp, change your phone or lost your chat, don't worry, let's start. First, it's important to know this. WhatsApp only restores messages from a backup. This backup is usually saved on Google Drive on your phone local storage. Now let's restore your messages. First, install WhatsApp from Play Store if it's not installed already. After that, open WhatsApp and enter the phone number and verify using a message code. Make sure you use the same phone number that was used to create the backup. When you see this message backup found, tap restore. WhatsApp will now restore your message and media. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and backup size. Be patient and don't close the app. Once the restore is complete, tap next. Your chat will appear first and the media file will be finished downloading in the background. If the WhatsApp does not found a backup, try this. Make sure you are logged into current Google account. Also check the Google Drive enabled on your phone. If you are restoring the local backup, make sure you did not delete the WhatsApp folder from the file storage. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.